Everyone, I am Miracle Eagle, a virtual assistant and team leader of the Diamond Labs Ambassador Program. Okay, so I uploaded a video um, that shows us how to sign up for a free Academy affiliate account on Kajabi and then how to sign into our Academy affiliate dashboard. Okay, so where you have your unique links that you can copy and paste on any social media platform. Okay, so we're supposed to promote our products and services in the Diamond Lab. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing us how to sign up or how to register for a free business marketplace account, because we're not using just the academy affiliate account. We're also going to use the business marketplace account. Okay, so we have products on the business marketplace account. So now this is the same email I showed us in the last video. Okay, this email, you're supposed to get this email when you register, when you apply for the position of a brand ambassador with the Diamond Lab. You get this email. Okay, so all affiliates should get this email. Definitely you have this email. So well, in this email we have links, different links that shows us or takes us to different accounts or dashboards. Now this step 3, in this email we have the registration for a free business marketplace account. Now you click on the email. Okay, you click on the link. Sorry, I had to preview and test so that I can click. Okay, so you click on this link and it'll take you to the affiliate program that's under Shopify. We're using affiliate B under Shopify. Okay, so there we have it. So okay, then you put in your email like we did the other time. You put in your email, Ms. Oses at yahoomail.com. Okay, there, Miracle Eagle. Oh no. Okay, and then any password, to like a password you can remember, a password that won't make you go through too much stress. Okay, so we put the password and then there's a place for repeat password. And country, I am a Nigerian, so we have Nigeria here. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so Nigeria. Then you accept the terms of service and privacy policy of affiliate.com, and that's it. So and then you register here. So you have registered successfully. Please log in with your credentials. Okay, that's it. So now when you register successfully, you have to log in with your credentials, obviously. Here. So going back to the email, skip this for now. Going back to the email, we have the sign in link. Sign into your business marketplace account. We have the link here. Okay, so click on the link and then put in my email, the one I used earlier for the registration, and then I put in my password. And log in. So there we have it. This is my dashboard. Okay, so this is my dashboard. So I have links that I can copy and then post on different social media platforms. They're here. We have a fast share here. We have Facebook, Twitter. We have, emails. Just so this is a referral link. This is my referral link. Okay, so thank you. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.